Are you looking to transform your home with stunning wall tiles? Amber has the answer. With over 50 years of experience, Amber has been providing expert advice, exceptional service, and top quality wall tiles to homeowners just like you. At Amber, we believe that every home deserves the perfect touch, which is why we offer an extensive collection of wall tiles that cater to every style and taste. Our team of tile professionals are here to inspire you, guide you, and offer tailored recommendations for your unique tile projects. We understand that your home is a reflection of your personality, and we're here to help you bring your vision to life. And here's the best part. Amber offers free design consultations. Our experts are ready to assist you in choosing the perfect wall tiles that will transform your space into something extraordinary. Whether you're considering a modern kitchen splashback, a luxurious bathroom renovation, or a captivating feature wall, our versatile and attractive wall tiles are the perfect solution for any interior design project. Unleash your creativity with our range of porcelain, ceramic, natural stone, and travertine wall tiles. Infuse personality and charm with a wide variety of colours, finish options, and shapes, sure to suit your home sweet home. With beautiful wall tiles from Amber, why shop anywhere else?